Tax returns have been a significant cause of stress for Americans since 2007, but understanding the tax refund chart may help. While the average 21-day timeline is an excellent estimate for planning on your refund, you may still have questions. Keep watching to find out more information about the tax refund chart and when you should expect your money. Tax return processing. Before you receive your tax refund, you need to be aware of the IRS's general timelines in processing your tax return. Reviewing a return has a quicker turnaround than you may think. Your tax preparer will submit your return, whether that's a professional accountant or online service. The return is time-stamped when sent electronically. Sending by mail can delay the process depending upon the mailing service used. The IRS takes 24 to 48 hours to review your return information. Your return will be accepted in that same timeline if there are no credits, claims, or mismatched personal info. The more in-depth the return, the longer the review time. Next, the IRS reviews your refund. This includes a deeper look into your personal information and tax history. Once again, the time it takes to approve your refund will increase based on the tax return complexity. A similar 24 to 48 hours for a simple return is average to approve the return. You can then start asking, when is my tax refund coming? And begin making your financial plans. General expectations. The IRS sets basic expectations around when is the earliest you can receive your tax refund. This general timeline is a great benchmark for how to find out when your tax refund is coming. The tax refund chart gives a great estimate. The majority of refunds will be issued around 21 days after accepting and approving the return. Last year's tax season saw 90% of returns received by the 21-day mark. The IRS continues to assure taxpayers of this general expectation. Some taxpayers receive refunds before the 21-day mark when set with direct deposit. However, don't be alarmed if your refund comes after this timeline, as many internal and external factors can extend it. Those who receive mailed checks can expect that timeline to extend, again based on mail delivery timelines. Tax refund factors. First, how early you file your return is the #1 factor to determine the tax refund chart. Next, how you file your return can impact it as well. Third, the credits you list on your return may delay your refund. Finally, existing debts to the IRS before filing extends your review time. Remember these factors when filing to understand your specific situation and tax refund schedule. Keeping track. You can keep tabs on your return if you use a tax preparer. Ask them for estimated turnaround times and updates on your file. The IRS updates the Where's My Refund tool on their website to keep you in the know when it comes to your return. This is a comprehensive tool that allows you to plan for the estimated timing of your refund. Finally, the IRS To Go app is another easy platform to stay aware of your refund. Whether you or a service prepares your return, there are plenty of options to keep you updated. Need to prepare a W-2 to complete your tax return and get your refund? Make sure you understand all there is to know about Form W-2 so you can submit your taxes before peak season hits. In case you need your pay stubs created, try our professional check stub maker today. That's all for now. Remember to comment and subscribe to our channel and visit thepaystubs.com to create your own pay stubs today.